Dad, I accidentally crashed your truck.
You did what? Oh, it's okay. It was just an accident.
Really? You're not mad?
No, I'm not mad. How about we go to the park and play catch?
Yeah, let's go. Dad, what park are we going to?
We're going to this new one that just opened. We're almost there.
Oh, okay. Dad, are we almost there? It's getting really dark and I'm kind of scared.
How do you think I'm gonna feel when I have to walk back alone? Get back here!